Today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to stake your Injective protocol tokens. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that can possibly have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing in this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, first things first, you want to install a wallet for Injective. Kepler is what I've been using, and it's been doing very well. It's www.kepler.app, and then you go up to the icon and install the Kepler wallet. Once you have done that, you will see a screen similar to this. You will have to obviously deposit some funds. The easiest way to add the networks that I've seen is if you go to where is it here? chains.kepler.app, and then you could add any of these chains to Kepler. You will have to add the Injective protocol to Kepler. Once you have done that, then you're going to deposit tokens into your account. You're going to go to Cosmos Hub. That's the easiest way to do it that I've found, and you're going to click on this icon. And this icon, you're going to scan and you're going to deposit tokens there. Once you get the tokens there, then you're going to click on the swap button, which is two arrows pointing in different directions. And once you do that, then you're going to have an option to go from Cosmos Hub to Injective. So we're going to trade 5 ATOM tokens, and we're going to get 1.335 Injective tokens. We're going to hit next. And actually it took 2 tries to make sure it was approved. Now it's approved. And it's showing swap in process. So once it goes through, it looks like it's going to go from the Cosmos Hub to Osmosis into Injective. And we will have Injective tokens once this process is complete. Once you have your Injective tokens in your Kepler wallet, and it says Injective down here, we have 1.96 currently. You want to go to Injective.com, only Injective.com. I suggest you go to CoinGecko and actually click on the link on the website there. There's a lot of scammers out there. You want to be very, very careful. Once you get to Injective.com, you want to go to individuals. You want to come down here to stake in INJ. You click on that. Once you get there, they're going to ask you to connect your wallet if it's not connected already. Before we connect our wallets, I would suggest that you get a VPN. This is important for airdrops and other sites that you connect to. I will leave a link in the description of this video for the VPN I use. I appreciate you if you use that link. It would be amazing. So we're going to connect our wallet. My VPN is going to show I'm in Hong Kong. So we're going to connect our wallet. We're going to confirm. We're using Kepler. And then now I'm going to put in my password. Once I unlock that, it's going to say what my staking overview on this wallet is. In this particular wallet, I have 2 validators, and I have 6.45. That's pretty pathetic, but 6.45 Injective tokens in my wallet. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description of this video if you want to send me any more Injective tokens. I'm just kidding, but maybe if you do, you enjoy this video, you will. Black Panther is the one I'm going into because they have an airdrop. They've already confirmed the airdrop, and I did a video on this protocol in the past, and I really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit delegate. I want to continue to delegate because it says you have selected a validator with a relatively large voting power. Maybe after this airdrop's over, maybe we'll go to other delegators, but we're going to continue to delegate. I'm going to put 1.5 INJ tokens here. I'm going to hit delegate. Then hopefully we get a approval, and it's going to be 1 penny in transaction fees. We're going to hit approve. It's going to take a second or two, and then we'll update it. So now I have 5.8 Injective tokens delegated to the Black Panther protocol. I really like Black Panther. I really like 15.96% APR too. There's a lot staked, and I really like Injective, what they're doing. I think it's going to be a beast in the next bull market. What will the price get to? Maybe we'll take a look here. Alright, I'll do a quick chart before I finish this video. Injective has been really bullish lately. Right now it's kind of going sideways. You know, it's gone to a high of $45.31, and it's coming down here. I think it will test the 50 EMA at $31.80 eventually. Obviously it's not going to happen right away. The daily jewel is starting to turn down, which that's a bother to me. I think it's not a short at this point, because Injective, man, it pumps if it pumps. So I think that there's a possibility of, for myself, not financial advice, I would probably be a buyer at $31-ish. If it came all the way down to, that's not going to come down to $20. There's another trend line probably down here around $25. I'd be a buyer at both. I really like this protocol. I really like what they're doing, with who they're partnering with, and I like the airdrops. So far, as an overview, I would suggest possibly staking with Black Panther. I think they're going to have a pretty cool airdrop. At the same time, I don't think right now is the best time to buy. I think it's going to come down a little lower, probably around $32. It's $4 less from the price currently. I think with the Bitcoin ETF kind of wearing off, I think it's going to come down, probably down to $32. If you're a fan of Injective protocol, please like and subscribe. If there's any other projects you want me to cover in the future, I'm pretty good about doing that. Please leave them in the description, or leave them in the comments, I should say. As always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.